when when you miss your session, one day you miss any session, sorry, when you didn't connect don't connect with anyone, after 1 or 2 days you feeling fumbling. Okay, you
Right.
sometimes you're stuck in while having conversation. So this kind of things happen. So that's why I always try to connect with at least 2 person every day.
Right.
It doesn't matter who in front of you. Okay, sometimes you uh, sometimes you connect with some more experienced one person and more knowledgeable person. Okay, at that time I feel little bit nervous. Okay, otherwise when connect with a co-learners, then a beginner, some intermediate, then I feel comfortable. But when I also connect few days ago, I connect with the, you I think heard about it, Roshan. You heard about it,
Yes.
your channel Roshan Escape and all. Actually, I'm I'm considering that person as an advanced speaker because he's a teacher and also advanced speaker according according to me. Okay, when I at a time I'm connected with that person, I'm feeling jittery, I'm feeling so nervous. But after some time when I start conversation, after some time I realize now you are comfortable.
Yes.
Of
I think it
course,
happened. Yes.
yeah,
That
because at the time
connect.
I feel if ask any random question, then how can I reply of that question? It's a very big
Right.
task for me.
Right. I think those random questions, maybe we are very well known with the topic. As as I told you that today I had a session with a learner and she asked me just about online and offline shopping. And
Okay.
as you know, and I also know that yes, we can tell the advantages and disadvantages of online and offline shopping easily. It's not a big task or not a difficult topic, but it's difficult to communicate that thing in English.
Yeah,
When I
yeah, you are
started
right.
when I started explaining that thing, I got means I was not able to frame the sentences properly. After maybe 1 minute, I was able to communicate, but in the starting, when I started to explain that thing, I was very nervous.
Okay.
Maybe we get nervous when a random question comes to us.
Yeah, you're right. And how's your weather on your hometown?
It's about to rain. Rain
Oh,
might come anytime here.
here's a muggy, you know some
Yes,
humid and some hot.
here too.
Some
It's muggy.
yeah. Sometimes it's a sunny. Sometimes it's like a cloudy, like that.
Right. Yeah, same here.
So how's it going your your journey?
As I have told you that yes, I'm doubting myself a little bit that am I doing the right thing or not? It's happening with me right now as I had a conversation with yesterday too and today too. So in after having both the conversation, I felt little awkward or little bad that am I doing the right thing or not? But
Don't
I
feel
think
awkward and bad. We are learner. It happened. Okay, when you
right, right,
feel awkward and like that, then you feel demotivate too.
right.
So
Right. I
that's
think nowadays I have lots of responsibilities of household work. That is why I'm feeling a little frustrated because of that too. And because of that, maybe I'm not feeling well internally. That is why it is
okay.
also feeling bad. Yes.
Do you try something new for your improving skills? Do any technique, any method,
Actually,
anything else?
yesterday night only, I watched a short on YouTube. I watched a short on YouTube, and that in that short, there was a lady who was just playing the normal video of any actresses or any personality. Like she played a video of Priyanka Chopra first. where she was using a idiom, and after that, that lady was explaining that idiom in Hindi, and after that, she was making a sentence by that.
Okay,
And I tried that too. I uploaded that short on my YouTube channel too, and I
okay,
liked that.
that's
Yes.
great. So I
So
think you
yes,
learn many idioms from this kind of way. You can easily learn.
yes,
I also
I
using. I also used to this method in earlier. I already uploaded so many shorts based on a show. Some vocabulary and some idioms, some new words.
yes. So yes, I learned a idiom from her only from Priyanka Chopra yesterday by this method. She told that rest on my laurels or rest on our laurels. It means being satisfied with your past experiences. So she
Oh,
made a
that's
sentence that I don't want to rest on my laurels. Yes, means
yeah,
as
great.
Priyanka Chopra always says that we should be ambitious more and more. We should means we should grow more and more, and it's good to be ambitious to achieve things more and more. So yes, that is why she used that idiom.
I also use Priyanka Chopra podcast for listening. It's very good speaker, and she always speak about the feminism and women empowerment and our inner power like that. So I also like her podcast.
Right. I think it's her thinking process is very unique or beautiful. She is
Yeah,
very wise.
really.
She is very logical, we must say. That there are actresses who speak well, but they are not logical.
Yeah, yeah.
There is no logic in their thoughts or their sentences. But yes, Priyanka Chopra has a logic. She is intellectual. Yes.
Very intellectually can say. I also start reading. I also try to make create habit of reading, build a habit of reading. So I confused about which book I choose for my reading. And I also I think I already told you about. I already have book Atomic
I think
Habit. Yeah, but I think it doesn't not up to mark for me because I'm just beginner. I'm trying to just build a habit, so that's why I keep aside that book and I try to I bought a new book. You also heard about it, A Diary of Young Girl, Anne Frank.
yes, yes. I think that was in my syllabus in ninth standard or 10th standard.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
So actually, one day I watch any shorts. I think a movie of what actor Janvi Kapoor and Varun Dhawan. Then they visit uh, when they go to Germany and Amsterdam. Then visit Anne Frank house. I think you watched that movie.
No,
Okay,
I'm not.
then I watched that short. Then I watched that movie for to know about that girl. Okay, after that, then I already watched 2 to 3 movies on that girl because she's very inspirable for everyone and very heart touching story. Okay, and yeah, so that's why I choose because I'm taking interest in this story, so that's why I think it's a very very good for you if you start reading this story, so that's why I prefer to read this book. And now it's amazing when I start to reading, then I think I need to read that book in at a one time, but it's not possible actually.
We have so many household management
Yeah, but it's
responsibilities.
very interesting for me.
Right. It's good to
And
find something.
I also learn a one can say idiom out of the blue. It's very
Out of
lovely idiom out of the blue. It means suddenly
me.
unnoticeable, but something's happened suddenly. Suppose that I want to give an example. Out of the blue, I remembered where I left my keys. It
Okay.
means suddenly I remembered that thing unintentionally. I remembered that thing. It happened. Sometime we, lost our keys, and we all try to find everything, but we didn't get. We don't get. But after some time, suddenly we think you remember that thing. Yeah, I left my keys over there. So this,
Yeah.
so that is idiom. I also learn a new vocabulary, but I think it's not, you know, I'm not here. I'm not able to explain because it's like a different kind, very advanced.
Okay.
You can say advanced.